Hi Tot! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa birthday mo, long life, saka sana lagi ka maging masaya. Galingan mo sa pag-aaral. Happy birthday!
Hi Kriza! Happy birthday! Feeling ko yung singing mo sa review. Okay lang yan. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. So, salamat sa lahat na pinagsamahan since third year. Mga rough trip moments, lahat-lahat. Yun, happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Patuloy mo lang lahat ang mga nasimulatan. LD, rock and roll.
Hi Salot! Happy birthday! Ayun, happy birthday! Hindi ka na talaga ka na. Magpakatino ka na, mag-imabait ka na. Miss na kita. At galing ako sa school, make your parents proud. At pati kami ng mga kaibigan. Happy birthday! Miss you, love you. Bye-bye!
Hi Manch! Happy 18th birthday! Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Sana maging CPA ka. Alam ko, kayang-kaya mo yun. Tsaka, good luck sa studies. Thank you sa friendship. Happy birthday. Love you.
Salot, best friend. Happy birthday. Yeah. Anyway, wish ko sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng super daming blessings, yung umaapaw na blessings, kasi deserve mo lahat ng yon. Kasi mabait kang anak, mabait kang kapatid, mabait kang kaibigan. Sana din matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo sa buhay. Ang maging CPA, yan. So, una kang maging professional kasi sa akin. Tapos, sana makamit mo yung tunay na happiness. Kasi kapag masaya ka, everything else will follow. Always remember that I will always be here for you. I will always be your best friend. I will always be here to support you. Happy birthday ulit, Salot. I love you.
Hi, Krisa. Happy 18th birthday. Ayun. Ingat ka lagi. Ay, mali. Ingat pala sila sa'yo. Ayun. Happy birthday. Sana na-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. And hope for the best. Best for studies and sa lahat. And happy birthday ulit.
Hi Kriza, happy 18th birthday and I wish you all the best. Actually, nasa iyo na lahat. Matalino ka, you have a good life, you have a very love life. And thank you for everything since high school, tas hanggang ngayon, we're still together as this. Yun, sorry kung may nagawa man ako sa'yo or nasabi, but I'm telling you, lagi lang akong nandito for you and kami, lahat kami nandito for you. Sa oras na kailangan mo kami, isang chat lang kapag inaway ka ni Bunda. Ganun. And yan, again, happy 18th birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Krisa! Todo na ito.
Hi Krisa, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. God bless you.
Hello Krisa, happy 18th birthday to you. I wish you more birthdays to come and enjoy mo yung day mo. I know it's your 18th birthday and I wish you all the best and stay in school. Yun lang.
Happy birthday Krisa, enjoy your day. God bless.
Morning Krisa, hello, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and God bless. Bye.
Hi Krisa, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and God bless you always. Bye.
Happy birthday Ichang. God bless and more birthdays to come.
Hi Krisa, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo and wish you good health and happiness in life. Bye.
Krisa, happy 18th birthday. Sana pasaya kita sa video na to ngayon. Wish you all the best.
Krisa Train, happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happy 18th birthday, Krisa. Stay hot, stay sexy. Be yummy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.